Welcome you guys to week 6 of our math classroom and of our school year. We are well on our way into the school year. We are already moving into September and we're so excited that you're here. A couple of reminders: don't forget to check out our class website because we have some important information on there, as well as notes and help videos. In addition to those notes and help videos, we also have some important information about our team. A second thing is, don't forget to check out our team website. We have 2 different websites that you can check out, and both of the links are on our Google Classroom under links. For our team website, we have Students of the Week. We have birthdays for this month. This month we want to wish a happy birthday to Emmanuel, Katie, and Crystal. So happy birthday. We hope you have a wonderful month. In addition to that, this week in math, we're going to be still working on histograms. So you guys have 4 learning targets that you need to be able to work with for histograms. Don't forget, when we were talking about histograms, we are talking about ranges. So there's not just one number, but there are multiple numbers. In this case, we might have 4 ranges. You could have 5 ranges, you could have 2 ranges, and the frequencies will differ depending on the shape and the height of the histogram. So don't forget, there are 4 learning targets that we have to know for our assessment this week. In order to finish up histograms, you should be able to create a histogram, which we have worked on for the last couple of weeks. Not only should you be able to create a histogram, but you should be able to determine the shape of the histogram. In this case, this one is a right skewed histogram because it's going down on the right hand side. Not only should you be able to create a histogram and find the shape, but this week we are really going to hit on finding the median of the histogram. In other words, the middle, the average almost. Not necessarily the average, but definitely the middle. And lastly, you should be able to read and analyze a histogram. So you should not only be able to understand what the data says, but understand what it means. So those are the 4 things that you need to know in order to do well on this week's assessment. Now, just a reminder also, this week's assessment, our exit card for the week, is going to be 80% of your grade. So that's a large piece of your grade, 80% of your grade. So you have to make sure that you can work on or understand and be able to do all 4 of these learning targets. 80% of your grade, if you were going to look at a pie chart, this is 75% of your grade here. So 80 is just a little bit more. So it's a large part of your grade. This part that's colored in, that's how much this week's exit card is worth. This is what we call a summative exit card. Okay, so 80% of your grade. We're looking forward to seeing you guys this week during week 6. Make sure you come with your notes. You're going to need those, and make sure you hold on to the rest of your notes for this unit because you will be using them as we move into the next section. All right, you guys, you have a good weekend, and we'll see you Tuesday.